Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we review the coolest and most innovative product find that can actually make your life easier. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I post new product reviews every single week. Okay, I know what you're thinking, a water bottle that costs 100? That's insane, right? Well, today I'm reviewing a bottle that claims it's worth every penny. This is the LARQ self-cleaning water bottle, and it's not just a water bottle, it's a piece of tech. This sleek 100 water bottle is designed to clean itself and purify your drinking water in under a minute. It uses built-in UVC LED technology to eliminate bacteria and viruses, keeping your water fresh and your bottle odor-free. No more funky smelling bottles or constantly scrubbing with a bottle brush. This thing literally cleans itself with the press of a button. Here's how it works. Fill your LARQ bottle with tap water like normal. Press the cap button and the UVC light activates, purifying your water in just 60 seconds. The bottle even goes into self-cleaning mode, activating automatically every 2 hours to keep your bottle fresh without you lifting a finger. Benefits: why spend 100 on a water bottle? Well, here's why it might actually be worth it. It eliminates up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. No more plastic waste. You'll never need single-use water bottles again. It keeps itself clean, saving you time and effort. It's double-insulated, keeping drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. It's perfect for travelers, hikers, and anyone who wants clean water anywhere. People who've tried the LARQ say it's completely changed the way they drink water. They love that it's odor-free, easy to use, and makes staying hydrated feel high-tech. Many even say it's helped them drink more water daily because they don't have to worry about cleanliness or bad taste. So yeah, 100 for a water bottle might sound crazy, but this one is packed with technology and convenience that actually makes it worth the hype. If you want this product's link is in the description box. If you enjoyed this review, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who love cool tech, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome product reviews every week. Would you spend 100 on a water bottle? Let me know in the comments, and stay tuned for more insane finds coming soon.